You don't need to be a tech genius to make money online. There's an AI that finds valuable domain names, and people are flipping them for hundreds of dollars a day. It's like digital real estate, and this tool is your AI realtor. Let's break it down. The tool is called Brand Bird AI Plus Squad Help, and it helps you find, validate, and sell domain names that businesses actually want. You use AI to generate names, check domain availability, and instantly list them for sale on platforms like Dan.com, Flipper, and Squad Help. Minimal setup. No coding. No products. Just smart flipping. Step by step, how it works. Type a niche like iFitness, eco skincare, or remote tools. AI gives you brand names instantly. Filter for available .com domains, these have the highest resale value. Squad Help's AI gives each domain a marketability score based on trends and past sales. Post your domain with a clean logo, use Looker or Logo AI, a short description, and a price tag, anywhere between $50 to $500 depending on the quality. Real example. Let's say you find a domain like fitpilotai.com. Available for $10. AI scores it 82/100ths. You add a simple logo and description. List it for $249 on Squad Help. Now imagine doing that 5 to 10 times a week. Even if only 2 domains sell per week at $150 each, that's $300 per week or $1,200 per month, just for flipping digital assets. Why this works? Every day, startups and creators are searching for clean, brandable names. Instead of hiring expensive agencies, they go to these marketplaces. And with AI, you don't need branding skills, the AI handles creativity, availability checks, scoring, and even logo design. All you do is spot the gold, and list it. This is one of the lowest effort ways to start stacking income using AI. No inventory, no content, just flipping smart. Subscribe, because next I'm showing you an AI tool that builds full websites with SEO and blog content in one click. That's a game changer for affiliate marketers and creators.